New bizarre information in a Carmel murder case. Investigators say the man accused thought he was Donald Trump when he killed his father and attacked his mother.
As CBS 4's Jesse Wells reports now, police say that man thought that he was attacking Bill and Hillary Clinton.
The suspect made his initial court hearing here in Hamilton County this morning. Court records show he appears to suffer from mental issues, believing he is former President Donald Trump.
For nearly 9 hours, inside a Carmel home on Rolling Springs Drive, a woman claims she was beaten, tied up with an extension cord, and handcuffed by her own son. Prosecutors claim her husband came home and interrupted the attack, and that's when 40-year-old Christopher Claerbout allegedly stabbed his 75-year-old father, David, 20 times and left him to die in the driveway.
Until we have all the facts and evidence in this case, we shouldn't be making any sort of rush to judgment. This could be a situation where somebody is mentally ill.
Attorney Mario Masalamani was appointed to represent Claerbout. Court records claim after being arrested, the suspect told police he is Donald Trump and his mother is Hillary Clinton and his father is Bill Clinton. Claerbout also claimed he was going to hold his mother under the War Crimes Act for the crimes she committed against the country, and even added his parents passed him around for sex as a child to a lot of politicians.
When a person is charged with a crime, there must be a showing of mens rea, the mental state. The tougher cases are the ones where there is less subtle behavior.
One legal expert not connected to the case here explains that the insanity defense would only come into play if the suspect was first found competent to stand trial.
Competency and insanity get used interchangeably, and they're two different things.
In addition to murder, Claerbout is also charged with criminal confinement, domestic battery, intimidation, and theft.
Finally, the suspect remains behind bars tonight at the Hamilton County Jail, where he's being held without bond. Jesse Wells, CBS 4 News.
Jesse, thank you. An Indianapolis family is